Can you actually make money with OpenClaw? The short answer is yes, and people are already doing it 6 different ways. I'm going to break down each one, show you what it looks like, and tell you which ones are worth starting today. The fastest way to start making money with OpenClaw is selling setup services, and I've ordered all 6 of these, from the quickest way to make your first dollar to the methods with the highest long-term income. So the further you get into this video, the more passive and scalable the income gets. Setup services are first, because the software is free, but the setup is still confusing for anyone who isn't technical. If you go on Fiverr right now and search for OpenClaw, you'll see listings ranging from $40 to $90 for basic installation and configuration. But the people charging on the higher end aren't just installing it, they're configuring the personality files, setting up Telegram, connecting the AI model, and making sure the gateway runs 24/7 so the client's agent stays online. The pricing for this breaks down into a few tiers. A basic install where you set up OpenClaw on a VPS and connect Telegram goes for $150 to $400. A full custom configuration where you also build out the soul.md, user.md, and skills for a specific use case goes for $200 to $600. And ongoing support packages where you maintain and update the agent monthly go for $50 to $150 per month. One founder documented $3,600 in their first month doing nothing but OpenClaw setup services. The reason this works so well right now is that the demand is high and the competition is still low. There are thousands of people who want their own AI agent running on a server, but don't want to deal with SSH, Docker, or terminal commands. And the setup itself isn't that hard once you've done it a few times. If you use Hostinger's one-click Docker template, the entire installation takes about 10 minutes, and you can charge $200 for something that takes you less than an hour once you know the process. The way to charge more than the Fiverr listings is to create content showing your expertise. If you make a YouTube video or an X thread walking through the process, clients come to you instead of you competing on price with everyone else on Fiverr. The setup service on its own is good, but the clients who hire you for setup are the same people who need custom skills, and that's where the second method comes in. By the way, the VPS I use for all of this is Hostinger with their one-click OpenClaw template, and I've left the link in the description with the discount auto applied if you want to get set up. Skills are the workflows that make OpenClaw useful for specific tasks, and there's a growing market for niche specific skills that solve problems the free ones don't. The free skills that come bundled with OpenClaw are general purpose, things like web search, file management, and basic automation. They work fine for generic tasks, but they're not built for specific industries or workflows. That's where the money is. A real estate agent doesn't need a general purpose research skill. They need one that pulls property listings, generates descriptions, qualifies leads, and drafts follow-up emails. A content creator doesn't need a generic writing skill. They need one that analyzes their existing content, identifies what's performing, and drafts new posts in their voice. Skills like these sell on ClawHub, Gumroad, and Etsy for anywhere from $9 to $99, depending on how specific and useful they are. Top sellers on ClawHub are earning $100 to $1,000 per month from a single well-built skill, and a realistic starter portfolio of 3 skills at $20 each can generate around $600 a month. The best-selling categories right now are e-commerce automation, real estate workflows, content creation, legal document drafting, and customer support triage. And you don't need to be a developer to build them. Skills are written in Markdown, not code. So if you can write clear instructions that describe a process step by step, you can build a skill. The trick is to pick a niche where people have money and a specific pain point, because a $49 skill that saves a real estate agent 3 hours a week sells itself. Skills are something you build once and sell repeatedly. But if you want to package them with more context and guidance, that's where digital products come in. The third method is creating digital products around OpenClaw, and this is where the range opens up from $9 guides to $200 courses. The simplest version is a step-by-step PDF guide that walks someone through setting up OpenClaw for a specific use case. Not a general setup guide, because there are already dozens of free YouTube videos for that, but something targeted like how to set up OpenClaw as a customer support agent for your Shopify store, or how to build an AI content pipeline with OpenClaw. A well-marketed template pack that bundles a pre-configured soul.md, user.md, and 3 to 5 custom skills for a specific niche can sell 20 to 50 copies per month at $49 to $99 each, which puts you at $1,000 to $5,000 per month with zero marginal cost after you create it. Courses are the higher end of this. Udemy already has OpenClaw courses with over 300 students enrolled, and some of them launched just weeks ago. If you multiply 330 students by $13 per enrollment, that's over $4,000 from a single course that the creator built once. The OpenClaw education market is wide open right now because the tool is still new enough that there aren't many comprehensive resources. The few tutorials that exist cover basic setup, but nobody is going deep on advanced use cases, niche-specific configurations, or how to actually actually build a business around it. And the best part about digital products is that you can stack affiliate links inside them. Every guide you sell can include your referral link for the VPS hosting, the AI model provider, and any other tools you recommend, which means each sale generates revenue from the product itself plus the affiliate commissions from everything the buyer signs up for. That affiliate layer is worth its own section because it works on top of everything else. Affiliate marketing is the method that stacks on top of every other method on this list, because no matter what you're selling or teaching, the people you're helping need to buy hardware and software to run OpenClaw. On the hardware side, people need a computer or a VPS to run OpenClaw 24/7. That means you can partner with VPS providers like Hostinger, and if someone signs up through your link, you earn a commission on their monthly subscription. On the software side, everyone running OpenClaw needs an AI model provider like OpenRouter, and most of them end up paying for API credits monthly. That's another recurring commission. But there's one more method that takes stacking to a completely different level, and almost nobody is doing it yet. Instead of teaching people how to use OpenClaw or setting it up and walking away, you run the agent for them on an ongoing basis. The way this works is that you set up OpenClaw on a VPS, configure it for a specific client's needs, and then manage it as a service. The client doesn't need to know how OpenClaw works, they just get the results. For example, a small marketing agency might pay you $300 a month to run an AI agent that monitors their clients' social media mentions, generates weekly performance reports, and drafts response templates for common customer inquiries. The combination of hardware and software affiliate links means you can earn recurring income from every single person you help get started with OpenClaw, whether they bought your course, hired you for setup, or just watched your YouTube video. The way to maximize affiliate revenue is through content. A YouTube video titled "How to Set Up OpenClaw on a VPS in 10 minutes with your hosting affiliate link in the description" will generate commissions every time someone watches it and signs up, and that video keeps earning for months or years after you publish it. You can also recommend peripherals, keyboards, monitors, and accessories through Amazon affiliate links, but the recurring software commissions are where the consistent income comes from, and the content you create for affiliate marketing is the same content that drives clients to your setup services, sells your digital products, and builds your community, which is why stacking these methods together is where the numbers start to add up. The agent runs 24/7 on your VPS. The client gets a Telegram channel where the reports are delivered, and you spend maybe 30 minutes a week making sure everything is running smoothly. A freelancer who already does social media management can use OpenClaw to handle 5 clients in the time it used to take to handle 2, and the extra 3 clients are essentially pure profit because the agent is doing the work. The pricing for this model typically lands between $200 and $500 per month per client. And since the Hostinger VPS costs about $7 a month and the API calls cost $30 to $100 depending on usage, the margins are strong. 5 clients at $300 a month each is $1,500 in monthly recurring revenue, minus about $50 in infrastructure costs, and the agent handles the majority of the work. This model works best if you already have a skill that businesses pay for, like copywriting, research, social media management, or bookkeeping, because OpenClaw amplifies what you already know how to do rather than creating value from nothing. And once you have clients paying you monthly for agent services, the next step is turning that expertise into something that scales beyond one-on-one work. The last method is building a paid community around OpenClaw, and this one takes the longest to set up, but produces the most consistent recurring income once it's running. If you go to school right now and search for OpenClaw, you'll find communities with hundreds of members paying monthly subscriptions. The key is to solve a specific problem rather than creating a general OpenClaw community. OpenClaw for content creators, or OpenClaw for real estate agents, positions you as the expert in that niche and attracts people who are willing to pay because the content is directly relevant to their work. Inside a community, you can offer live tutorials, skill drops, Q&A sessions, and private support. And because the members are paying monthly, your income recurs as long as you keep providing value. And the community feeds every other method on this list. You can sell skills to your members, offer setup services, recommend tools through affiliate links, and upsell courses and templates, all to an audience that already trusts you and pays you monthly. The total startup cost for all of this is under $50 for your first month, which covers the VPS hosting and API credits. The software itself is free and open source, so the barrier to entry is as low as it's ever going to be. And the way to get the most out of these methods is to stack them. Start with content, drive viewers to your setup services or your community, add affiliate links to everything, and expand into skills and digital products as you build expertise. The window for early movers is still open, but it's closing. 4 months ago, nobody was selling OpenClaw skills or offering setup services, and now there's competition, but still far less than the demand. And if you want to get OpenClaw running so you can start offering any of these services, the fastest way to do it is through Hostinger's one-click template, and I've left the link in the description with a discount auto-applied. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.